How is motorcycle handlebar height measured for legal compliance? Have you ever wondered how motorcycle handlebar height is measured to ensure it meets legal standards? This is an important topic for every rider. Let's break it down step by step. First, the measurement begins at the part of the seat where the rider sits. This can be tricky since seats come in various shapes. Some are flat, while others are contoured. The law does not always specify whether to measure from the lowest point, highest point, or an average height of the seat. This can lead to different interpretations. Next, you measure to the highest point of the handlebars. This could be the top of the grips or the highest section of the handlebars, depending on their design. Again, laws may not clarify if you should measure from the grip ends or the peak of the bars, which can impact compliance. Now let's talk about legal limits. For instance, in the state of Georgia, the law states that handlebars must not exceed 25 inches above the portion of the seat occupied by the rider. This limit was raised from 15 inches in 2016. However, the law does not provide detailed instructions on how to measure, which can create confusion, especially with modern motorcycle designs. To measure handlebar height accurately, you can use a tape measure or a ruler. Hold it vertically from the seat surface to the highest point on the handlebars. It is helpful to have someone assist you to ensure the tape is straight and the measurements are precise. Riders and customizers should keep in mind that some factory motorcycles or aftermarket handlebars might exceed legal height limits based on how measurements are taken. This can affect whether the motorcycle is legal to ride on public roads. While height is the main focus for legal compliance, other handlebar dimensions like diameter, width, rise, and pullback can influence comfort and control. However, these dimensions are generally not regulated by law. In summary, motorcycle handlebar height is measured vertically from the seat area, where the rider sits to the highest point on the handlebars. Legal limits vary by location, and unclear measurement guidelines can complicate compliance. Riders should measure carefully and consider both the seat shape and handlebar design to ensure their motorcycle meets local handlebar height laws.